Alright, so this is my favorite place when I stress out from work. I'll earn money or charge. So right now, as you can see, we have 205 people. Today I'm going to tell you my plan of how I'm going to promote and find a user for my upcoming side project, which is book swaps. And you probably see my previous videos already. It is an application that lets you swap books. Actually, yesterday I came here and I talked with one guy, and then he said the project is interesting and he wanted to see the app as well, but it's not finished yet. So right now I'm in a rush or wanted to finish the app as well. And also there's an upcoming book event that I wanted to join, and I'm going to promote the event as well. I'm going to tell you more about detail later. And speaking of here, alright, so this is my favorite place when I stress out from work. I always come here. Right here is really refreshing. As you can see, we have this one right here. We have the pond, and this is the university and where the students come and study here. And I used to study here for maybe 1 month as well for computer science here. And yeah, so yeah, if you're feeling stressed out or probably stuck with your code, just go and take a walk and come to a place like this. It's really refreshing. All right, so right now let's get back to work. Today I'm working on a task that let the user see the book request, and I'm just going to finish this task only. And what I like to do when I build a project or try to finish the project, I like to break down the project into the smaller tasks. I will try to complete each task per day, and depend on the energy that I have per day as well. If I have more energy, I will try to complete multiple tasks. But for this project right here, I've been put off for almost a week already. I have a lot of things to do. I never touched this project as well. And right now, going back to do this project, it not feeling motivated at all, to be honest. Like feeling like a bit strained, and I feel like a bit lazy as well. If you're feeling like this when you put off your side project and when you come back, you are not alone. Speaking of the event that I mentioned earlier, there's going to be a book fair event on December 19th. And my plan is I'm going to join the event and find a book lover and share them about my projects. And hopefully by the times that event start, I finish my app, so then I can show them the app and let them probably test the app if they are interested. So hopefully they like the app. So that's my plan for that event, and we'll see what's happened, and I will try to document and share you guys as well later. All right, so I just finished book request listing, and as you can see right here, the UI, this one inspired from Facebook. I mean, like it's simple UI, right? So this is the book that requesting you, and this is your book, and you can swap or you can delete right here. And the list is working, but I think there's one problem is right now they can't swap with the same book. So let me show you, like this book right here, try to swap with this book, right? And then right here we have this book, try to swap with this book, and this is not supposed to work like that. And I think like Facebook, and when you go to friend list, you can accept or delete. But if you go to their profile, there's only one option. It's just to accept, right? There's a bug that I need to fix on this one. And yeah, I'm trying to fight with music right here, right now. Alright, that's it for the project update. And actually that project, I'm not intended to earn money or charge someone to use the application as well. The real goal of that application is just to solve my problem of swapping a book and find someone to swap with. And that's the real goal of that application. And it's kind of like a fun side project as well. So I'm not like so serious about it as well. And right now, speaking of the updates, let's talk about the community updates. So right now we have 204 people. I'm really thank you so much, you guys that joined the community channels. So right now, as you can see, we have 205 people just joined. And so today we have one event, which is going to talk about why you should build an online presence. And so yeah, looking forward to you. If you haven't joined the channel yet, you can join. And so see you. Bye bye.